When we've made a mistake or hurt somebody, it's often unintentional. And in the moment, we don't see the impact of our actions on the other person. Whether our actions were intentional or not, it is our responsibility to try and mend the relationship. And a key step to reconciliation is the apology. Apologizing is actually a process that may end with the uttering of some words, but the preparation is what really matters. So to make your words count, start by describing the impact your actions had on the other person. Explain how you've affected them, that you noticed their pain, and how you recognize what you did was responsible for hurting them. Next, set aside your justifications, defenses, and worries long enough to let their reactions sink in. After you've recognized the hurt your actions caused, express your regret, but only if they want to hear it. Forgiveness is a process as well, and it doesn't always include receiving or accepting an apology. However, you offering one is what makes forgiveness possible. So be patient and wait until they're ready to accept your apology. A key part of a meaningful apology is to offer steps for change. Rebuilding trust means making a commitment to doing things differently in the future. Keep in mind that these changes have to be meaningful to you and the other person, so make sure that the change is both practical and authentic. When going through the apology process, remember that we all make mistakes. Getting stuck in guilt or shame doesn't help anyone and prevents us from turning our mistake into a learning opportunity.